Stock does not only move through sales. Sometimes it is damaged, lost, or miscounted, and your records must reflect reality. That is what stock adjustments are for. Let us write off some loaves that were crushed in handling. We click Create Adjustment. We choose the warehouse holding the stock, production output, give the reason as damaged, and add a note explaining what happened. On the line we pick the item, artisan sourdough loaf, and the quantity affected, 5. The system always treats an adjustment as stock leaving, so this will remove 5 loaves. We create the adjustment. It starts as a draft so it can be reviewed before it touches your stock. Here is the draft adjustment. We expand it to see the line, 5 loaves, shown in red because stock is going out. Now we post it. Posting is the moment the adjustment actually reduces your stock, until then nothing changes. We confirm. Posted. Our finished goods stock has dropped from 30 loaves to 25, and the value of the lost stock is recorded against the damage. Say 2 of those 5 loaves were not really ruined and can go back on the shelf. A posted adjustment can be partly reversed using return stock. We click it. We give a return reason, found or recovered, and set the quantity to return back to the warehouse, 2. The rest stays written off. The return is created as its own draft row. Like the adjustment, it must be posted to take effect. We post it. Posted. 2 loaves are back in stock, 25 becomes 27, and ZetaFisc keeps the full history, 5 written off, 2 recovered. Nothing is ever silently changed. The table logs every adjustment and return the number, date, type, reason, warehouse, status and value, so you always have a clean audit trail of why your stock count changed.